This is why there's so much conflict. Busybodies, warped concepts, prying into other people's lives and spreading vicious gossip. And this is one thing that I've told you that we shouldn't do. So, I came to show you something, and this is very important. Come on, baby. Now, you're allowed to gossip as long as that bird is active, once a month. Now, when that bird stops gossiping, sticking his nose into everybody's business, you stop. I see you haven't got much time. Soon going to be over. Now you can no more gossip for 1 month. Christ should be the way that we live. Not this needle nose that the bird has, full of nosy words. Each person should be themselves. You got to be your own master, your own ruling control. And the basis of this is never hurt anybody. Now that's a tough job. That is, intentionally hurt someone. And the only way you can do that is try to do the very best you know to do. You can't do any better. But if you'll always try to do the best that you know, then you will believe and accept the teachings of the beloved Lord. And I think that He made it clear enough to all of us that we should not hurt others, that we should love one another. And the only time we usually strike back is when we feel that we have been offended in some way.